how to stop wasting hours cleaning messy data exports before you can actually use them. Here is the raw export. It's a mess. We've got inconsistent dates, random blank rows, and mixed formatting. Usually this takes 20 minutes to clean manually. I'll drop the raw CSV file into Claude. My prompt is specific as I'm asking it to clean up the mess, standardize the columns, and push it directly to Databox as a new dataset. It sees the inconsistent date formats, the duplicate headers, and those annoying empty rows that usually break your reporting. Instead of me fixing cells manually, Claude writes a custom Python script on the fly. It runs the code to standardize the dates and formatting across the whole file automatically. Once the data looks good, Claude continues. Using the Databox MCP integration, it connects to my account, creates the new data source, and begins ingesting the records. And just like that, the add spend cleaned dataset is live in Databox, fully structured and ready for querying or building dashboards and reports. That's automated data cleaning and ingestion with Databox MCP. Head to databox.com/MCP to get started.